Hello everyone, Tom from everystepphysics.com, everystepcalculus.com. I'm going to do a physics problem, test problem, concerning constant angular acceleration and tangential acceleration. Here's the problem. A wheel 25 centimeters in radius turning at 120 RPMs increases its frequency to 660 RPMs in 9 seconds. Find A, the constant angular acceleration in rads per second squared, and B, the tangential acceleration of a point on its rim. Let's do it. Physics to get to my menu has the instructions if you purchase the programs. Number 5, angular acceleration. Number 2, angular acceleration. And number 8, this W sign here is a Greek letter called omega, and it means revolutions in physics. So keep that in mind, okay? Enter the radius. You have to press alpha before you enter anything in these entry lines here. Alpha 25 centimeters. I always do conversions for you. That's part of the tricks of physics. As if physics isn't tough enough, you have to do all that also. Remember these mindless formulas, hundreds of them, and you're supposed to put that together and come up with these answers. I have no idea how anybody does that without my programs, but if you can do that, good for you. Angular speed, all right, alpha 120. Says RPMs. You need that to get 2 RPMs per second. Per seconds is in the formulas. To 660. Oops. Alpha 660. RPMs again. And alpha 9 seconds. I always show you what you've entered so you can change it if it's not right. I say it is okay. Now you have to change the R per seconds to rads per seconds to get angular speed and acceleration. 11 revolutions per second is 22 pi rads per second. And angular acceleration turns out to this 6.28 rads per second squared, or 2 pi, depending on what you're required to put down on your paper. Now, the second part of the thing of the problem is to find tangential acceleration. So we're going to go up on a little bit closer to the bottom of the alphabet in my menu to get to the T section. And we're going to scroll down to tangential acceleration. And we're given, instead of velocity and time, we're given revolutions per time. You have to find the angular acceleration again first. Alpha, radius is 25 centimeters. Alpha 120 RPMs, alpha 660 RPMs, time is alpha 9 seconds again. Acceleration there. Tangential acceleration is this formula after you find the angular acceleration, 1.5708. If they say centimeters, you got to multiply times 157 centimeters per second squared. I love to do that too, professors. Pretty neat, huh? Everystepphysics.com. Go to my site, buy my programs, and you'll learn so much from the programs just by showing you how to do this step by step of the problems. And In my programs, there's no teaching, there's just showing. I'm adamant about that. Never helped me.